Introducing the 100 kilowatts inverter solution, a cutting-edge energy system designed for maximum efficiency and reliability. At its core, this powerful solution features 2 units of 209.6 kilowatt-hours lithium energy storage, ensuring seamless power availability. Safety comes first. Equipped with advanced fire and electrical shock protection, this system is built to safeguard both users and infrastructure. Need to power a 50 kilowatts load and beyond? No problem. This solution is designed to handle more, ensuring scalability for growing energy demands. With a smart energy manager seamlessly integrated, users can monitor their energy usage efficiently both on-site and remotely. Thanks to an advanced remote monitoring setup. In case of emergencies, an easily accessible emergency stop button provides instant shutdown for enhanced safety and for sustainable round-the-clock power. The system boasts an impressive 194.88 kW PV capacity, ensuring day and night energy coverage, a truly reliable and independent power solution. For units of 2 HP air conditioners, Petrocam Mega plant, 8 office spaces within the complex, and lots more. This solution powers 8 units of pumps for fuel, diesel and gas, 18 units of 10 West streetlights, about 173 units of lighting points. This is the future of energy. This is our cutting-edge 100 kilowatts inverter solution. This is Gennex.